Hey guys, so I wanted to decode my JWT token, so I went to jwt.io and I went to the bottom of their page where I found out they are showing the tokens created in real time. I mean, it looks they are creating it in real time. So I went and inspected the network request, but I found out there were no network requests going on and there were no web sockets as well. So what I end up doing is I end up digging more. Then I found out that this is randomly generated based on the time. So let me show you how it works. So they say token created, and so if I go here and I disable this automatic time zone, and right now even if you reload the page, you will see the same thing, but what happens is like this shows something else and it just updates. Now if I go here and I remove this automatic date and time, and if I make this 1990, and you will see this goes in minus. So this is how it works. If I put back to 2024, what will happen is again like this comes back, and if I make this to September, again like this part gets updated. So if I increase the date, you will see this everything is getting updated. So it is totally random. So this is not a real time data, and don't get fooled by them. Okay, so don't do this. Please hire a real developer and show a real time data. Bye bye.